Hey everyone! Today we are opening the Lenovo LOQ 15IPH11. You can find the full review, benchmarks, display tests, and more on laptopmedia.com. The link is below. Let's begin. To reach the components, we need to undo 10 screws and remove the bottom cover. We are using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. The first 4 screws are shorter than the rest, so keep them separate. Use a thin plastic tool to start releasing the cover clips. Be careful not to push the tool too far inside and damage a component. The bottom cover is now off. Thermal pads on the bottom cover sit above both M.2 SSD positions. Here are the 2 slots. This is the battery connector. Disconnect it first. This is the primary M.2 SSD. RAM slots are under this shield. Under the heat pipe sits the Core Ultra processor. To its left is the GeForce RTX 5050 laptop GPU. The cooling system uses 2 fans. This is the Wi-Fi card. We start by unplugging the battery connector. Next, we undo the battery screws. They appear captive, so we leave them in place. This is a 60 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Now we remove the installed SSD. Our unit has a 512GB WUXGA EG7 M.2 2242 NVMe SSD. This primary slot runs on PCI Express 4x4. We return the SSD to its slot. This slot accepts both shorter and longer M.2 drives. Now we remove the metal RAM shield. We look for a safer pry point, away from soldered components on the motherboard. The shield is locked tightly into its metal clips. Here are the two slots. We remove the installed memory module. It is a 16GB SK Hynix DDR55600 SO-DIMM module. The slots support DDR55600 dual-channel memory. Lenovo lists up to 32 GB. When reinstalling the shield, align every metal clip with the middle of its latch. Follow the direction of the printed arrow on the cover. Check all sides before pressing down. These steel clips can break and this cover fits very tightly. Here is the underside of the touchpad. This is the Realtek RTL 885-2BE Wi-Fi 6 card with Bluetooth 5.3. Now we put the battery back into place and reconnect it. That's the inside of the Lenovo LOQ 15IPH11. For thermals, display tests, battery life, and upgrade notes, read the full review on laptopmedia.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.